Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I've taken all the studs out again, the nuts, bolts, threads, ready to split the case. It should be easy because I wouldn't have set yet, so it is coming apart. At least I can check out my silicone work and see if I used too much or not enough. You know what? I had that in the wrong place. I think that's the thrust. I slipped it on the front one. It fell off when I put it together before, and I thought it fell out the front, but it actually sits in there, I think. No, I didn't. It sat in the back here. Oh, I'm not sure. I'm going to need to have another look. Make sure. I'm just I need to look at the book and find where this goes. Maybe that was the problem, but I think I'll clean all the silicone off while it's sticky and not set hard, and then find that goes, try and make sure these are on the right place, and then try it all again tomorrow if all goes well. Okay, you don't need to watch me clean this. I'll bring you back when I found the problem. I'll explain what I did, well, what I found, and then we'll take it from there. The thrush washer hasn't moved. The one that sits in there hasn't moved. The grease has held them in place, so it's got to be something to do with this, I think. Okay,